Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Jessica J and I do home decor videos, lifestyle videos, and soon you guys are gonna see some entertaining videos. If that interests you in any way, please hit the subscribe button. And for all my returning subscribers, hello, how are you? So today we are going to do a last minute gift giving guide. And this is gonna be affordable. These boxes are also aesthetically pleasing. So whoever gets these boxes, they're going to love it. Trust me. They will absolutely love it. So the first box I got, this one right here, I got from Hobby Lobby. This one was $8.99, but it was 50% off. And then the other box I got is a little, fancier looking. It's more sleek. This one is from Amazon, surprisingly. And then you're just going to add in your tissue paper or your little fun, what is this stuff called? Confetti? Paper confetti? So I'm just gonna show you guys the items that go with each box, and then after I show you the item, I'm going to put the box together so you guys can get a visual on what it will look like in a box and just give you guys ideas on how you can package the item. And I'm gonna show you guys 5 different boxes. Okay, so the first box is for the coffee lover. And I'm gonna show you guys my all-time favorite mugs, which are these right here. Not only are they aesthetically pleasing, these things are really good. They're double walled, so they keep your coffee hotter longer. These come in a pack of 2 from Amazon, and I think they're on sale right now for about $25. They come 2 in a pack. And I also got my espresso spoons from Amazon as well. They're super cute, super aesthetically pleasing. I did tie this little bow around it, but they come in a pink box, so you can choose to leave them in that box. You can take them out, you can tie them together like this. And if your budget calls for more, you wanna add something else, you can definitely add some espresso pods. If you know the person that's gonna be receiving these has a Nespresso machine, you can get them some Nespresso pods. They have a Keurig, you can add some Keurig pods. Or if they just have a regular coffee machine, you can add maybe a little bag of their favorite coffee or a Starbucks coffee, whatever your heart desires. Like I said, these boxes are customizable, which is the best part, but this is the first box. So let's put it together. Okay, box number 2. This can go for anyone. This kind of started off as a housewarming gift and I kind of went in a different direction, but this is gonna go for someone who likes to cook or maybe needs ideas on what to cook. So first we're gonna add a cookbook. I absolutely love this cookbook right here. I have this sitting out on my countertop because it's just aesthetically pleasing. I just love the way it looks. And it's by Athena Calderon. Love her, absolutely love her. I'm a total fan of hers right now. So this is a seasonal type of cookbook. So she has different recipes depending on the season, and it's just a really beautiful book. I got this from Homegoods for $16.99. They do have it on Amazon right now and it's on sale for $21. I think it's usually $35 on there. So the first thing is gonna be the cookbook. And the next thing are these super cute salad claws. These are made of stone, but I just thought they were absolutely beautiful, so aesthetically pleasing, and these will go with anyone's aesthetic, trust me. And the next item is going to be a kitchen towel. Now this is my personal kitchen towel, but you can get any kitchen towel you like. The Hearth and Hand line does have a couple. I think they have a green one, and I'm not sure what else, but you can pick up a towel from HomeGoods. You can order one on the Target website or do the curbside pickup. You can order one from Amazon. I'll link a few good ones down below. And that is box number 2. So box number 3 is someone who loves candles, or maybe you don't know what to get the person. So Project 62, I don't know how long ago they came out with these, but they have several of these candles right here. They come in several different scents, in different colors, and different sizes. They have a wide range of these and they smell really good. I'm telling you, I'm surprised more people aren't talking about these. They smell really high end. This one comes in a ceramic jar. They also have another one that comes in a glass jar and it's a little bit taller. They have one that comes in a black color. I don't remember the scent, but honestly, they all smell really, really, really good. For this box, I also picked up this cute little jar right here of matches. I got these off of Etsy. Amazon also carries some like these. Sharika has showed some of these in her vlog. She got them from Big Lots, and they come in a bigger jar and bigger matches, but they were sold out in my area. So if you have a Big Lots in your area, try looking for them there. They're only like $8 from over there, and you get a bigger packaging. And the last item, which I know all of the home decor vloggers, which I absolutely love, are recommending this, but honestly, it is such a great gift. And we know about it here on YouTube, but a lot of people still don't know about cutting your wicks. So when you cut your wicks, it prevents your candles from burning black. And let me tell you, it does make a huge difference. And anyone that gets this will absolutely love it, because not only is it functional, which I'm all about functionality here on this channel. It has to be functional. Maybe it's the mom in me, I don't know. But it has to be functional, but also, you know, pretty. If you're gonna have something that you use around the house, you might as well make it pretty so that you can have it out and display instead of hiding everything in, you know, cabinets and all that. So yeah, wick cutters, they prevent your wicks from burning black smoke, which can ruin the jars they come in or whatever your candles around. It will get on it and ruin your stuff. So don't let your friends or your family continue burning black smoke. Get them one of these. So that is box number 3. This item right here is for the tea drinker. So someone who loves to enjoy tea, or you can swap out an item and it can be for the entertainment. So first I got this chai tea, and it's like the loose tea. This was $6.99 from HomeGoods. It looks like this. Super cute little bag that it comes in. And then I picked up this tea infuser from Target. So basically you just grab the tea infuser, you open it up, you get some of the loose tea, and then you put it in your hot water. And then the cutest little item, my gosh, guys, this thing is so adorable. I was a little afraid it wasn't gonna be here in time, but it came, is this little honey jar. How cute is this? How cute. It's a little dirty because I put lotion on and I kind of was touching all over it. This is from Crate & Barrel. I don't remember the price, but I will put it on the screen and I will have it linked down below. I forgot what this is called. The honey stick. We're just gonna call it a honey stick. I don't know if that's what it's called, but it has a little honey stick. So you just put this in your honey and then you put it in your tea. Or you can swap out the tea and put in maybe like a small cutting board or like a cheese board. So if they like to entertain, you can get them maybe the cheese board and get small little cheese knives and put this in there. Honey tastes amazing on cheese and crackers. Let me tell you, it tastes amazing. So that is gift number 4. The last gift is the person who loves to make a good cocktail. Maybe they don't know how to make cocktails, but they like to drink. Maybe they like to enjoy a drink here and there. This is for that person. I got these amazing COUPE glasses from CB2, and these are super affordable. They were about $4 each, so I did grab 2. So this is a perfect gift for someone who likes to enjoy cocktails. And also a shaker and a jigger. This is perfect for someone who wants to entertain, likes to drink cocktails. Get them this right here. They will absolutely love it. This one I had already had. I don't know where my husband got this one from, but they sell these at Target, you guys. You can get them from Amazon, and they're very inexpensive. And that is gift number 5. I will have everything linked down below, and I'll have alternatives if I can't find the exact item. Just check the description box down below. I am not done with my Christmas shopping yet, so honestly, these might be some gifts that are going to people because I'm kind of freaking out that I'm not done yet. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Give the video a thumbs up, share it if you feel like this will help somebody else. Subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any future videos, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.